Okay. So students, that is class 8, 9. Class 9 maths. Okay. So exercise number 13.7. Exercise number 13.7. So students, first of all, in this chapter, in this exercise is based on this exercise is based on volume of cone. Cone means like that. That is called radius. That is called height. And that is, what is that? Tell me. What is that height? Tell me in the chat box. Tell me in the chat box. That is radius and that is height, and other is hypo. Rakib, what is this? Hypotenuse. Okay, Subham, right answer. Ornesa, right answer. Anyone else? Very good. Anyone else? Yes. Sohelika, Sangam. Okay. Two students are typing. Sangam slant height, Raima slant height, yes. And Pooja is also typing. So that is also that is slant height. It's called slant height. And we know that the relation between R, H and L is L square equal to H square plus R square. Okay. And volume formula? Volume formula? Tell me in the chat box quickly. Volume formula. Okay. Quickly, what is the formula of volume? Volume formula of cone. Quickly. 1/3 pi r square h. Who answer first? Shubham, very good. Rakib, 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi r square 2h. Rakib, 1/3 pi. Raima, Sneha Bhattacharya, okay. Sangam, 1/3 pi r square h. Raj, okay. So volume formula is 1/3 pi r square h, where r equal to radius, and h equal to height, and L is the L. In the volume formula it is not contain L, but in the curved surface area, that is pi r L, curved surface area pi r, we need L. Okay. So question number 1. Question up to this, anyone have any problem, any question, any queries up to this? That volume 1/3 pi r square h, pi r L, this is the curved surface area, and L is the slant height, where L, R and H relation is L square equal to H square plus R square. Anyone have any problem? No. Very good. Okay. So we are entering the chapter exercise 13 point. .6, okay, 7. So find the volume of right circular cone. So first sum have two parts. Question number 1 have two parts. Sum part 1, that is radius equal to 6 centimeter, height equal to 7 centimeter. So we have to calculate the volume. So radius and height. So in the first question, radius equal to 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Radius equal to 6 centimeter and height equal to 7 centimeter. Find out the volume. Now we know that volume formula. Volume formula of cone, that is 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi r square h. Okay. 1/3 pi r square h. Now And it is also mentioned that you have to use that pi equal to 22 by 7, pi equal to 22 by 7. So pi 1/3, pi means 22 by 7, r square means 36 and h means 7. 7 remove 3, 12, 12 into that is 264. I hope that is 264 centimeter cube. Okay, that is 264 centimeter cube. It is the volume of the first part of the question number 1. Okay. Yes, 264 centimeter cube. Annesa, Shubham and Raima, very good. Okay, up to this part, anyone have any problem? Part 1 of question number 1, anyone have any problem? Quickly answer it, beta. Otherwise, I will move on the next part. No problem. Okay. Next question. That this next part is given that radius equal to 3.5 centimeter and height is 12 centimeter. Radius is 3.5 centimeter and height is 12 centimeter. What is the volume? Just same formula we will use here. So tell me in the chat box quickly. Okay, tell me in the chat box. I want to see who are the first 3 students who have answered very fast. Okay. 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 Oh, first 3 students are Shubham, Ornesa and Sneha Bhattacharya. Okay. Raima get little bit late. Okay. Okay. So next time I want to see first 5 students name. Okay. So what will be the volume? That 1/3 pi r square h, 1/3 1/3 pi. Pi means 22 by 7. R square. Students, r square means 3.5 into 3.5 and h equal to 12. In place of h you can put 12. So 3, 4. Now 7, 0.5. Okay. Now 22, 0.5 into 4, 0.5 into 4 that is 2 and 3.5. So 22 into 3.5 into 2 that is 7. So 154 centimeter cube. Okay, 154 centimeter cube. Those who have answered, only 4 students have answered. So it's very bad. Where are the other students? Priha, what are you doing beta? Trisha, Priya, they are not answered. Swastika also. Okay. So that question, that is the second part of question number 1. Volume of that part is that cone where radius equal to 3.5 centimeter and 12 height equal to, that is 154 centimeter cube. Okay.